If you are one of the 50 million Americans who live with an autoimmune disease, you know it can be challenging to get the answers you need. A symposium today in Marquette with some national experts can help you get some answers. With me right now is Dr. Susan Manzi, the chair of the Medicine Institute at Allegheny Health Network in Pittsburgh. Dr. Manzi, thanks for being here.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely, and welcome to Marquette. So I want to ask you, what exactly brought you here?
So this is the first annual symposia for autoimmune diseases, graciously hosted by Dean Rabinia with the NMU School of Nursing. So Dr. Ahern and I are very excited to be a part of that.
Okay, and so you'll be talking today about autoimmune diseases, of course, and what's your message from all the work that you do for people at home who might be living with one or know someone who is?
So autoimmune diseases, there's greater than 100 autoimmune diseases, and they're more common than even cardiovascular disease put together. And it's when your immune system, which is supposed to protect you against things that invade, starts to attack self. So it can be anything from your thyroid, autoimmune thyroid disease, or inflammatory bowel, many different autoimmune diseases. You need to find somebody that's an expert in how to manage these because they can be devastating, they're chronic, and sometimes very hard to treat.
Okay, and it can be hard to find that expert, and so I know you probably work with people all across the country as far as the specific autoimmune diseases they have. I mean, what for people at home who don't have that expert, what's your advice to them?
Well, I would think, first of all, you need to first come to the symposium today, we'll tell you, right?
Okay.
Which is a good one because it's open to everyone. But the truth is, become educated. You know, I think patients who are educated are their best advocates because you can get treatment for them, but you have to find where to go. Now, at Pittsburgh, at our Allegheny Health Network, we've created the first in the world Autoimmunity Institute, and we have people coming from all over the world to see us to get second opinions and get help with treatment.
Okay, and so here's the schedule for today's symposium. It's happening on the Northern Michigan University campus at Reynolds Recital Hall. So starting off at 1 o'clock with autoimmune disorders in the spotlight, and then also talking about relapsing polychondritis, and then a panel discussion, and you'll be part of the panel?
Yes,
okay.
I will be a part of the panel. And is it okay if I just give a shout out to?
Absolutely, yes.
So I want to give a shout out to Mike and Nancy Lynn. Nancy's a graduate of the NMU School of Nursing, as well as Dave and Kathy Bammert, and the whole Race for RP team for really raising awareness because it's a very rare autoimmune disease, and they've been instrumental.
And that's what a lot of this weekend is about, is raising awareness and answering questions. And what you see on the screen right now is the Race for RP car, which will be in the NMU Homecoming Parade. And so look for that. TV6 is a proud sponsor of what's happening here this weekend, and it's about raising awareness. And so going online, looking up Race for RP and learning more about the research that's going on and you know, advancements hopefully on the way here, right?
Absolutely. We'd love to have people come and hear about what's new and how we're going to cure these diseases someday.
Okay. Dr. Manzi, thank you. We can see you this afternoon at the symposium on the NMU campus. We'll post all these details on our website right after the show so people can check it out and get there with their families and learn more.
Thank you so much.
All right. Thanks for being